Okay, before we started, I have a question for you.
Oh no,
Why are you already scared?
because every time you say I have a question, somehow it turns into a life crisis for me.
Honestly, fair, but seriously, have you ever a day where you did absolutely nothing, but somehow you still feel exhausted?
Wait, yes, like sickly I did nothing, but mentally I was fighting for my life.
Exactly. And then you open Instagram,
Bad idea.
or maybe LinkedIn,
Even worse.
and suddenly everyone seems to be doing something amazing with their life.
Meanwhile, I'm just celebrating because my ex finally replied to my DM.
Honestly, same.
So, are we actually tired? Or do we just feel left behind?
That's exactly what we're talking about today. But before we started, hello everyone, I'm Olivia.
And hi everyone, I'm Chacha.
Welcome
To Catch Up Session!
So, we will talk about things that probably keep all of us still awake at night.
Including today's topic, which is honestly a little too relatable.
Definitely. So, let's get into it.
You know what's funny?
What is it?
I feel like every student I know is tired.
Literally every single one.
Like if I text someone and ask, hey, how are you? The answer is never amazing.
Never.
It's always, I'm tired,
Or I'm surviving.
or don't ask.
Exactly. And honestly, I started wondering if we're actually tired from doing too much, or if we are tired from constantly thinking we're not doing enough.
That's deep.
That's it. Thank you. I've been overthinking lately.
Clearly, but honestly, I think you're right. Sometimes I will have a normal day and then suddenly I start feeling guilty.
For resting?
Yes! Why do I feel guilty for taking a nap?
No, because Sam, I'll be relaxing for maybe 10 minutes and suddenly my brain goes to, shouldn't you be doing something productive right now?
Exactly like, girl, can I breathe first?
I think social media made us believe that we always have to be productive.
Especially LinkedIn.
We're back to LinkedIn right now.
Because it's a problem.
Fair.
I swear every time I open LinkedIn, somebody is announcing something like,
I'm excited to share.
stop.
Or that I have been selected
Stop right
for
there.
an amazing opportunity.
And suddenly I'm questioning my entire existence.
Honestly, and the worst part is I'm actually happy for them.
Same, like I don't hate seeing people succeed,
Not at all.
but sometimes it makes me feel like I'm falling behind.
I think that's the feelings a lot of people don't talk about.
Yeah, but because whenever someone talks about success, people usually say, don't compare yourself to others.
Which is good advice.
But also, how?
Exactly, especially when everything is online.
You wake up and immediately see what everyone else is doing.
And somehow everyone seems that to have their life together.
Which is lie.
A complete lie.
Because every person I've talked recently is confused about something.
Same. Even people who seem super successful.
Especially those people.
Actually, that's true. I remember talking to one of my friends, great grades, active in organization, always busy and always productive.
One of those intimidating people.
Exactly. And one day she told me that she felt like she wasn't doing everything.
No way.
I swear, and I was shocked because from my perspective, she was doing everything enough.
See, that's actually crazy. Because
Yes.
while you comparing yourself to her, she probably comparing herself to someone else.
Exactly. It feels like nobody feels enough anymore.
And I think that's because we're all following invisible timelines.
Wait, explain.
You know how people have to this expectation? Like by this age, I should get an internship. By this age, I should know my career path. By this age, I should have figured out
Oh my
like
god, yes.
who made these rules.
I genuinely don't know.
Because I would like to have a conversation with them.
Honestly, and the thing is, everybody's lives is very different.
Exactly, different backgrounds, different opportunities, different goals.
Yet somehow we expect everyone to move at the same speed
Which makes no sense.
at all.
Can I be honest?
Always.
I think social media make us feel like we're running out of time.
Oh, that's a good one.
Like every day someone is achieving something, you start thinking, wait, am I running out of a time too?
And suddenly you stress about your future at 2 a.m.
For absolutely no reason. Like
That's it. I think a lot of students are carrying pressure they don't even realize they are carrying.
pressure from family, pressure from society, pressure from social media, pressure from ourselves.
Honestly, I think we are our own biggest critics.
Facts. Nobody judge me harder than me.
Sam, and that's actually kind of sad.
It is. Because if your friend came to you and said, "Hey, I feel lost," you wouldn't tell them that they're a failure.
Never.
You probably tell them you're doing fine.
Exactly, but when it's ourselves, different story.
We're so much harsher on ourselves.
You know what I've learned recently?
What?
Feeling behind doesn't actually mean you are behind.
Wait, I like that.
Because behind compared to,
That's true.
sometimes you're just looking at someone else's journey and expecting it to be ours.
And that's impossible.
Yes.
Because no two lives are exactly the same.
Exactly, and honestly, if you're listening right now and you still feels like everyone is ahead of you,
They're probably thinking the same thing.
which is kind of funny,
And kind of sad.
a little bit of both,
The student experience.
but pretty much. So if you're listening to this and you're feeling like stuck lately,
Or feeling like everyone else is moving faster than you.
just remember that life isn't a race.
And there's no universal timelines you need to follow.
You're allowed to move at your own pace,
You're allowed to take a break.
and you're allowed to figure things out one step at a time.
Because trust me, most people don't have everything figured out.
They're just better at hiding it.
Facts.
Well, thank you so much for hanging out with us today.
This honestly feel like a therapy session.
A free therapy session, right?
The best kind.
But seriously, before we end this episode, we just want to leave you with one final message. I think today's conversation reminds us that being tired isn't always about doing too much. Sometimes we're exhausted because we're constantly comparing ourselves to other people, worrying about the future and putting pressure on ourselves every single day.
And the scary part is sometimes we don't even realize we're doing it. We see someone's success online and suddenly we start questioning our own progress. We forget that social media usually show the highlights, not the struggle behind them.
Exactly. Everyone has moments where they feel lost, confused, or like they're not doing enough. The difference is not everyone talk about it. So, if you've been feeling like the way lately, please know that you're definitely not the only one.
And remember, feeling behind doesn't actually mean you're behind. It just means you're comparing yourself to someone else's journey. But your path never supposed to look exactly like theirs.
There's no universal timeline for success. You don't have to get an internship and at the same age as everyone else. You don't have to know your entire career plan right now, and you definitely don't need to have everything figured out in your 20s.
It's okay to move a little slower. It's okay to change your mind. It's okay to rest. And it's okay if your progress doesn't look impressive to other people, because at the end of the day, you're living your life, not theirs.
So instead of asking yourself why I'm behind, maybe ask yourself, am I growing compared to who I was yesterday? Because that's the comparison that actually matters.
Celebrate the small wins, finishing assignment, getting through a difficult week, taking care of yourself. Those things matter more than we often realize.
Thank you so much for listening, and we really hope that episode made you feel like little less alone. If you're feeling overwhelmed, we hope this conversation reminds you to be a little kinder to yourself.
Because you're probably doing much better than you think. And trust us, most people are still figuring life out too.
And maybe stay away from LinkedIn for a few hours.
Yeah, honestly, that's probably the healthiest thing you hear today.
Okay, thank you again for spending your time with us. Well, see you in the next episode of Catch Up Session. Until then, take care of yourself and trust your own journey. And remember, you are not behind, you're just on your own timeline. Bye.